right, guys, let's talk cage options. 2 Mav Rs, 2 completely different builds. Let's check out some options on these. We have lower A-pillar mounts. Now what's pretty cool about these work great for pod lights, but they also work really good on the stock cage. But, I mean, after seeing these two, who wants to run that stock cage anymore? The lowbrow really sets these cars off, makes them look aggressive, makes them look mean, makes them look like the complete package they are. So check it out. Tons of options, tons of way to make the new Mav R completely thumped out, ridiculously aggressive looking, added strength. Check it out, thumperfab.com, and we'll see you on the trail.